everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to unbox my brand new tripod which came with a ring light. The tripod that I'm using right now is actually broken because the thing that secures the phone has a rubber lining and now the rubber lining is coming out. So my phone had tried to jump off this tripod more than 5 times now, and I thought it's not good because my phone is expensive. I would rather spend more on a tripod than spend on fixing the broken screen of my phone. So yeah, I got this ring light. I got it from Amazon. It will be linked in the description below if you want to check it out. I think it is a great deal. This is my tripod. It comes with a ring light, a phone holder, this is tripod. Everything that's inside is like stated here. So it comes with a 10-inch ring light, a tripod, selfie remote control, tripod, ball head, a mobile phone holder, and an instruction manual, of course. So we're going to open this up. Look at that! Start off with the first thing. We have our ring light. It is so cute. It's like even bigger than my face. I love it. This is the 10-inch ring light. I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks like. For that, I'll actually have to turn this off, so please don't mind the lighting. Just one second. Okay. Are you guys ready? Oh my god. I love it. I mean, it is a good light. The intensity is good. The size of this light is so, yeah, I think it is so much better than the light that I'm using right now. My light is just like this big and this one's 10 inches, so I really love it. The wire actually has remote in itself, and it has the switch on switch off button, a mode changing button. This one, I think the plus and minus is for increasing and decreasing the intensity of the light, which I think is really good. I mean, you can adjust it to whatever intensity you want. Now we have the actual tripod stand, which I was actually really excited about because this tripod is the same height as me. That would be convenient. I was actually looking for a tripod which would be at least like 4 feet 2 inches, like above 4 feet, so that I can just take my tripod everywhere and just take my own pictures because no one else takes good pictures of it. No offense. So it is actually a really good quality. It's not plastic, it's metal. Look at that. And don't worry, I'm actually going to assemble this entire tripod with the ring light so that you can see how it looks at the end. I don't know how it looks. I'm gonna try and we'll see if it's actually worth it. For the height, there's like these tabs that you open and then it expands like that. That's kind of nice actually. It is so good quality. It is legit. I don't think it will break that easily because it's so strong. It said that it comes with 2 phone holders, or I'm not really sure what they said, but there's like 2 of these things and they both look like phone holders. There's one more holder. It's in a little pack, so this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if it's then one more thing that I was really excited about is this. So it comes with a selfie light. You can just like clip this on your phone where your camera is, and then it has this little cord that one end goes in the light and the other end you can just like plug it in and you can have your own selfie light. Last but not the least, this actually came with a selfie timer thing. You just like connect it from your phone through Bluetooth and then you can take your own pictures. How cool is that? And there's also like an on and off button on the side, and I'm not sure if you can see. Okay, yeah, see? Okay, loop it through, and then there you go. You have yourself a little keychain. I am so excited to connect all this together and see how it works and if I like it. So far, I think I will, because everything that came is according to what they showed on their post, and I think that is what I wanted. I wanted a big ring light, but I wasn't sure if it would be big enough or according to my expectations, but I think it is. And also I love the height of the tripod. That is what I desired. I mean, I did desire anything above than 4 feet, but it is actually 4 feet 3, like literally the same height as I am, so that is interesting. And it came with this user manual. I'm just going to connect this entire thing together and I'll see you in a bit.
The drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith.
It's so bright! Oh my god. I'm using my new tripod and new light. It is so bright, like I love it. So that was everything for today's video. Make sure you check the description box because I will link this tripod in the description box, and if you want, I can also link my tripod. That one's also good. It lasted me like 2 or 3 years, so it is really good quality. And if you want a cheaper version of this tripod, I will just link that down below as well. So make sure you check that out. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below this emoji. Also, what other videos you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah. I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like